What up, tube? Today is Monday. Well, not Monday. It's actually Thursday, but it's my Monday. But hey, guys, welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Start of the week, guys. First day. So headed back to the shop today. I'm gonna get started on some new things. I'm gonna get started on that Wahl 5-star cordless review. I've been using the machine already for a little over a week, and I gotta say, I really loving the machine, man. I got a feeling that the review is gonna be a positive one. Can't find too many things wrong with it other than the fact that it's noisy. To me, I find it noisy. I don't know about you guys, but for me, what do you guys think? Let me know below, man. I've already been using it for over a week, guys, and I think it's a lot louder than my other machines. I find myself spraying it down a lot because I think that the blades are usually that's the way my old machine sounded when I needed to spray it. So that's my opinion. But I'm gonna head to the shop today, get started on this day, guys. We'll see what we get into this week, and we'll get these vlogs started again. All right, grind on, guys, grind on. So I kind of wanted to reflect on something that happened this weekend, and I thought it was kind of hilarious, you know. First of all, I hope everybody had a good Father's Day. All you guys out there grinding and everything, I hope you guys had a great Father's Day. You know, it's your day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. It was great hanging out with my fams, as you guys saw in my video, in my vlog. But hey, guys, it was funny because I stay up current with all this YouTube stuff because, you know, I'm new to it. I've only been in 6 months, so you know, whenever somebody comments to me or anything, I make a point of answering back, because if they're going out of the way to answer, asking questions and stuff like that, I want to make sure that I acknowledge everybody. That's just the way I am, you know. And you know, and guys, and by no means am I perfect. Please don't ever think that I'm, you know, the things that I dish out to you is just, you know what, it's my knowledge, guys. It's my experiences and what I'm going through, and how I handle situations, you know. And by no means am I perfect, and in no way. But it was kind of funny because I got one of my first bad, I guess it was somebody clowning me, you know, on one of my videos. It was actually my best video that I've made so far. It's my Braun Series 9 review. You know, that video has got the most hits I've ever gotten. So it's funny because the guy goes on there and he tells me, he puts on there, he goes, Mr. Unknown, if, by the way, that's who it was. He goes, because I guess he's unknown, he doesn't want nobody to know who he is, and he goes on there and bashes people, but it's all right. He goes on there and he puts down and he tells me, he goes, who is this middle-aged man dressing, talking, and sounding like a black young boy or black young man? I was like, oh, man. When I read that, I was like, oh, all right, maybe I'm not the best dresser, all right, but you know what, guys, this is me, this is what I am. You know, I'm not perfect, never claimed to be perfect. I'm not a great dresser. I don't wear slacks, I don't wear long sleeve shirts, I wear shorts all the time. This is California, guys. You know, we have the best weather in the world right here. I could wear shorts every single day if I want to. But yeah, I'm a California boy. I wear shorts, t-shirts, hats, you know, tennis shoes. You know, I hardly ever dress up. I dress when I go out somewhere, but not to make excuses, but that's just the way I am, guys. I'm not going to change what I am. I'm not going to stop talking the way I am. But I just wanted to address that. I thought it was funny. Hey, Mr. Unknown, if you're watching, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you paying attention, and hey, give me our channel a shot. You're probably not a barber because, you know, you're unknowns, and if you're unknown, you're not going to get known. But, hey, thanks for watching anyway. Creative criticism, guys. We all got to be able to accept it. But you know what? I'm not going to change who I am, guys. I am what I am. This is all that I am, and I'm gonna stay what I am. So just wanted to keep a note on that, guys, and I want to all the guys out there watching, man, I appreciate you guys watching. My views have gone up, and my watch time, and everybody watching my videos, and you know what, without you guys it couldn't be happening. So we're growing little by little, and I'm happy, and that's all that matters, guys. So I'm at the shop right now, and I'm gonna get started on this day, and we'll get on with this. All right, grind on, guys, grind on. been crazy busy today at the shop. A lot of people coming through. But you know what I think it is? It's the weather. It's super hot. It's been hot all day long. Come on, Papa. You want to hear me? Give them pops right now. Okay? Can I give you some lollipops? Some lollipops? Yeah? Get good? You sit still and I'll give you a bunch of them. You can take them with you. I do know. Good? I'll do some of you, right?
Everything is cool still, cause now you know my level. I never cause you love trouble, no. Rootsman penetrating. Rootsman penetrating.
Next is my AirPod's pretty. My AirPod's still.
So that's it for today, guys. Today was a pretty productive day. There was 4 of us working. We stayed pretty busy. I mean, I can't complain. There was an abundance amount of customers. We ended up staying pretty late. Right now it's about 7:15, so I'm barely leaving the shop. So tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's another day, guys. Tomorrow we get started on the weekend, and we start working for this for the money. You know, the end of the month is coming, guys. It's rent time. You know, I don't know for you barbershop owners that are out there, but I know my rent's due on the first of every month. So you know, you got to work for it, guys. You know, that's what it is. It's grinding out here. It's trying to make those payments, trying to make those trying to make that mortgage, and trying to make that payment here at the barbershop. So with that being said, guys, keep grinding. I know I am. I'm working already on this Wahl 5, the 5-star Wahl cordless. I'm working on the review already, so it should be coming up pretty quick. Today was it was a fruitful day, man. We stayed busy. We were working, and the guys kept me laughing, man. It was a clowning of a day going on here. So soccer, baseball, we got it right here, guys. This is what we're watching, sports right here. Look at that Dodger Stadium right there in the background. I love that shit. All right, guys. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys mañana. Late.